Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to log someone out on your Instagram using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for instagram.com. Then just go ahead and log in your account. Okay? So once you've done that, I want you to click here at the lower left corner of your screen, these three little lines, and click on Settings. And now you can see here the Login Activity section. You just want to click on that, and when you scroll down, you can see all of the devices where your Instagram account is logged in. Okay? So now if you want to log out your account in a specific device, just go ahead and click on the drop down arrow and click on the log out icon or button. Okay, so just go ahead and click on log out, and that should log out your Instagram account on that specific device. Okay, so that's it. That is how you log someone out of your Instagram. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.